What's up guys, I'm GV and welcome to GV Vlogs. In this video you're gonna see about the fastest Indian Pulsar 220F. Let's start with the specifications. The bike comes with 220cc single cylinder 4-stroke which produces max power of 20.5 bhp at 8500 rpm and 90 Nm of torque at 7000 rpm. And we get 5-speed gearbox. The chassis in this bike is well balanced and gives the rider the confidence when riding. The bike comes with oil-cooled engine that helps the bike to get cooled in high temperatures. Along with that, the bike comes with carburetor fuel intake system. And the stock horn sounds great in this bike. Talking about the tires, the stock front and rear tire lasts till 25,000 km and we have changed the front tires to Michelin Pilot Sporty Tubeless 90 section which gives an awesome front end feel. And the rear tire gets dual purpose MRF More Grip Mentor M 120 section tire. This tire gives awesome rear end feel for the rider as well as the pillion. When it comes to brakes, the Pulsar 220F gets front 260mm disc with the Bibree calipers which gives 80% of the stopping power, which is not much great on this bike. The rear gets 230mm disc with the Bibree calipers which gives 20% of the stopping power. Pulsar 220F gets the telescopic front suspension which gets 130mm of travel and it is equipped with touring clip-on handlebars which gives good comfort to the rider. Rear suspension gets dual nitrox 5-step adjustability with 90mm of travel. Rear brake in this bike didn't give a good stopping power for the bike's capacity. It should be improved in the future. The bike is equipped with 5-speed transmission with the gear pattern of 1 down and 4 up. Overall, Pulsar 220F is the most affordable motorcycle for the beginners who need to enter in the super sport category. Bajaj's DTSI technology helps the bike to perform well in all the situations. The bike gets a larger 15 liter of fuel tank capacity and it claims the mileage of 45 kmpl. The telltale lights which is present in the handlebar helps the rider to find the switches at the night time very easily. The bike gets semi-functional speedometer which gives the rider all the basic information such as RPM indicator, side stand indicator, turn signal indicator, dual trip meter, speedometer, odometer, fuel gauge, tachometer, neutral indicator, high beam indicator, air filter, engine temperature, oil level indicators. Trip A and B can be resetted with the help of this button. The bike gets ellipsoidal 55 high beam and 55 volt projector for the low beam with AHO and dual pilot light. Rear comes with dual stripe LED tail lights and the bulbed indicators. The side mirrors in this bike didn't give much visibility of what's behind. The chain sprocket of this bike comes with 14 teeth front sprocket and 36 teeth rear sprocket. The stock exhaust of the Pulsar 220 with this matte black treatment looks dope and sounds great too. So, this bike is a favorite bike for most of the young bike enthusiasts. Pulsar has lived strong through these years and continues the same pride till the present year. This bike is the most affordable entry-level performance motorcycle. So, should you buy this bike in 2020? I will say definitely go for it. This bike is the best all-rounder. You can use this bike for city commute, for long touring, also for a weekend ride. So, talking about the price, we bought this bike on November 2, 2018 for 1.8 lakh on road and we had completed 29,000 km till the date. We had changed only the tires at 25,000 km on the bike. The bike is performing really well. The larger 15 liter fuel tank gives 350 to 450 km of fuel range. That's it guys, I hope this video will be useful for you. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and share with your friends. See you soon in the next video.